What's up guys, in today's quick tutorials, I'll show you how to add bundles on Shopify. The first step would be to access Shopify admin. Log into your Shopify admin dashboard, then go to the apps section. Step 2, install the Shopify Bundles app. Search for the Shopify Bundles app, which is free in the Shopify App Store, and click install. This official app lets you create bundles without extra third-party apps. Step 3, create a new bundle. Open the Bundles app and click Create Bundle. Give your bundle a catchy, clear name, for example, Summer Skincare Set. Step 4 would be to choose products. Select the products you want to include in the bundle. You can add up to 10 products, including different variants. Step 5, set prices and discounts. Add a discounted bundle price to offer a better value, and you can choose a fixed discount or a percentage off the total price. Step 6, customize the appearance. Upload images and write a detailed description to make your bundle attractive and informative to shoppers. And finally, Step 7, preview and publish. Preview your bundle to check how it looks in your store. Once happy, save and publish so your customers can start buying it right away. And that's how you add bundles in Shopify. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.